Hi, this is Hastings. Today, we would like to introduce how to use PyIdentify. An API will help image classifier work better. We focus on making precise image classifications within simple operations. Here is the interface of PyIdentify. Now, I would like to train a classifier to help me identify iris for me. There are 4 parameters I can tune here. I'm going to import a file called iris.data. Let's dive into iris.data. You can see there are a lot of data in this file. The first column stands for sepal length in centimeters. Second column stands for sepal width in centimeters. Third column means petal length in centimeters. Fourth column means petal width in centimeters. And the last column, fifth column, stands for different iris, like Sentosa, versicolor, or virginica. The format of import data needs to be like this. The first part of data is numerical and means features like length or width. And the last part of data is the category or the classes of iris. Let's back to our API. Now I'm gonna use a random test point, stands for a random iris given to the classifier. The range of test point x and y is from 0 to 1. I can pick any double values between them. So here, I'm gonna have 0.68 and 0.49 for my test point. And here I have another parameter called threshold p-value. The smaller threshold, and that means we'll have the more strict threshold. So in this case, I will have 0.0006. These are all of the random values. I'm gonna compile this file and run it. You can see the classifier knows this input value, the test data. That means the random iris was passed to our classifier, and our classifier knows this random test point, the random iris. All right, I'm gonna use a different one, like 0.91 and 0.11. And we're gonna have the same threshold. I'm gonna compile the file and run again. It shows none above. The classifier does not know this input value. So that means this random test point or the random iris deviates a lot, or it is pretty far away from training set. But how can we know that? How to show that? Here, you can generate a plot as a proof. So here's the command. You run this command, you can see there are a lot of points at the front. These are the points from the training set, but there is another one is very far away from the previous points. So that's the test point we have. All right, I think I can just change the threshold to make it work. Now we can have a bigger threshold, like 0.1. I am gonna run this again. You can see right now, it shows the classifier knows this input value. That means although this point deviates a lot from the training set, or it is far away from our training set, but we have better threshold in our classifier right now and knows this random iris with better tolerance. So you can see this API can help you finish calculation automatically and generate plots accordingly. Again, we hope PyIdentify is a groundbreaking solution to make image classifiers smarter. It will help enormous scholars work efficiently. Thanks for using our API, the PyIdentify.